Understanding the UN Convention on the Rights of Persons with Disabilities, a course promo video. What contents are included in the UN CRPD?
How is the UN Convention on the Rights of Persons with Disabilities associated with real life?
How do we assure and protect the rights of persons with disabilities?
The UN CRPD can be used as a tool to assure the rights of persons with disabilities in real life. For anyone to easily understand the UN CRPD, the Korea Disabled People's Development Institute, KODI, has developed a course on understanding the UN Convention on the Rights of Persons with Disabilities. This course is available at the Disability Awareness e-Learning Center of the KODI. We will find out the social perception towards the rights of persons with disabilities and how their rights are realized in our daily lives with animations. We can also learn about articles of the Convention through real-life cases. There is also a special session to hear the stories of persons with disabilities about how the UN CRPD is realized in our daily lives. Through the course of Understanding the UN CRPD, let's develop appropriate awareness towards the rights of the persons with disabilities and their social participation, and make a world with no discrimination. The realization of the rights of persons with disabilities through an appropriate understanding on the UN CRPD. The Ministry of Health and Welfare and KODI will continue the effort.